Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Over 120 students of Presentation Convent High School, Fatorda, Margao had a thrilling experience while exploring the history and heritage of Sant Jacinto Island. Cyril Fernandez, president of Chikalim Biocrusaders, explained the history of the island, the heritage of the church, the freshwater spring, the chapel on the mount with its underground cave, and the history of the lighthouse. Some of the students ventured into the underground tunnel while others climbed the lighthouse. The students expressed their huge satisfaction over the trip.
आज प्रेजेंटेशन कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कुलाच्या भुरग्यां वांगडा आहा. 7वीची भुरगीं ती ए आनी बी क्लासीची आनी ती आयज आमच्या चिखले वाठारांत आमचे जुंयार सान जासिंत आयलंड पळोवपा येयल्या. ताची इतिहास आनी हेरिटेज जाणो जावंक येयल्या आनी हांव चड खुशाल की ती आमच्या गांवांत येयली म्हूण हांव तांकां वेलकम करता आनी तांकां आयज हांव ह्या आमच्या जुंया वयले इतिहासा बाबतींत सांगतलो, दायजा बाबतींत सांगतलो. आमचो पळय जोर आहा ती दाखयतलो, वयर कपेल आसा दोमिंगोस तेंय दाखयतलो, लायट हावस आहा तें दाखयतलो आनी फाटल्यान सोन देंवयन हाडटलो आनी तांकां आख्खी चिकाली बी पळय इतली सोबीत आमची बी आहा ती दाखोवपाक आयज प्रयत्न करतलो.
We are here at San Jacinto Island, the beautiful island which you can see here, and we have come here to get a little bit of knowledge about the history of this island.
So we saw here like springs, lighthouse, and tunnels underground, like church also we saw. It was like very beautiful place, and this water view, it's awesome, and like we like the place and very nice island.
Yeah, and we some of us also went inside the tunnel.
Even we saw the springs. The spring is so beautiful, and the wells also.
We came to know about the history of this island, about the people, how they use the spring, and etc.
Part of the chapel, or why this chapel is very important, because there is a hidden tunnel in this chapel. Hidden tunnel. I will show you. And the locals claim that from this tunnel, if you use this tunnel, you can go from here to Sridham. That is the myth that the locals claim. But definitely there is a tunnel through which you can go right down to the end of the island. And if any one of you is interested in exploring, I have brought a torch. You can, one or two of you can go. I will show you where the tunnel is. Wait, all of you remain there. All of you remain there.
Wait, Angel, you go first.
Thanks.
Uncle, you can do that?
We are going.
Wait, first let Uncle.
See, this is the tunnel.
Let's go inside
You
and
can
come
go,
back.
but if you can come out only, you go. Okay? It is safe now because it is blocked inside. And earlier there used to be soldiers staying here. It was actually an escape route for them. Hideout. Yes.
We have come here for an excursion of field trip, and the classes are 7th A and B, and we had gone on a trekking. It was a nice thing. The children really enjoyed. We went right on top on the there's a chapel there on the mountain. There's a chapel. There's a small tunnel inside the chapel there, and there's a lighthouse. The children really enjoyed, and we came the other way around. It was really beautiful, and the children really enjoyed it. And we thank Mr. Cyril Fernandez for bringing us here, and he was kind enough to take us all the way on top.